Hi everyone, it's Brian here from YodaAnswers.com, and today we had a question about orangutans. Just some basic information where they're from, so we'll take a look at that. Orangutans are a great ape, but they are actually in danger. So they're reddish brown in color, and mostly they are solitary creatures. If you do see them together, it's usually a mother and her young. They mainly eat fruits, but some vegetation as well. But what's really interesting about them is the fact that they are very intelligent and can use tools. Now let's take a look at where they're from. Here we are in Canada. Now orangutans in the wild are located in this area, Malaysia, Indonesia, Southeast Asia, but only on two islands. This bigger one here is called Borneo. So they're located here and close by right here in Sumatra. Now because they're located in such a small area, they really are having a tough time surviving. People are encroaching on their land, their forests are being cleared out, and yeah, they're just not widespread, and so it adds to the difficulty. For more information about orangutans and their habitat conservation, you can go to Orangutan Foundation International Canada, where there's all kinds of helpful information, but you can also contact them, and you can even donate to help support these wonderful creatures. Thanks for listening. Keep the questions coming.